Good morning, guys. Brian, BS Adventures. So there we go. Gonna screw around with the van a little bit today. Just gonna actually play around with an idea I have. Maybe a little foreshadowing for something that's gonna happen in the future. It's really just goofing off. I should be doing other stuff, but something that's been on my mind. I've been kind of looking at some pieces and I want to test fit a couple things. So let's get started on this. You guys see what's going on here? Here's a little foreshadowing, guys. Little tight currently, but there's some things you can do to make it not as tight. And there's also some things you can do to make it not as tight. So this is just a test fit, an idea. It's been in my head. I've been looking at a few things and I wanted to try this to see what I need to do what I want to do. So that's all I'm going to show you. Just a little teaser. I think you can figure out what's going to happen. Stay tuned.